Hello friends, today I have a very nice topic and my topic is this: DMIC project is good or bad? In my opinion, DMIC project is good because we will have many things after the complement. When we complete this project, we will have many benefits just like 2 international airports and 8 smart cities, and many of the people will get employment through this.
Guys who want to ask, raise their hand. Sir, ask. Sushil sir.
If you are talking about the employment, we have started many projects, but why are the number of unemployment?
This project is very good because listen.
Have I completed?
Ask.
If you are talking about the employment, we have started many projects.
As like
There are the flyovers, bridge, and
project name.
projects names.
What are the names?
The corridor between the Raja Garden to the Punjabi Bagh has started and it was made. After that, how many guys were getting the job?
What was that? While making that, many of the people got work.
That
and when it was finished,
why are the numbers?
Whatever we are talking about in DMIC, the Micromax company and many of the other company will invest on the places. Okay.
Just I will add that. After all, there were many projects had started.
Like in this,
Listen to
do
me.
you know why is this project
Let me
being so
complete.
late? Listen.
There were many.
Even they don't have proper labor.
Wait. I mean now the flyover made for Delhi to Mumbai. It is not in DMIC. Why?
What?
Now the flyover made for Delhi to Mumbai. It is completed in 2001.
Then
And our that road, what we call that
Next.
engineering minister say
Only
that.
doing that, there are most of the people who are doing strikes, they have taken their lands. Why?
Yeah, obviously, if someone
Why?
is doing good things, so they will take your lands. But are they
No,
not
why?
taking
Because they
money?
weren't getting nice money, that's why they were.
They were getting nice money, but they
They-
did not
then why
want
were
to
they
sell
protesting?
it.
Why were they
Yeah,
protesting?
because they did
Why
not
were
want
they-
to sell it.
No, they were.
They did not want to sell it. That's why. But
Because
if
they were
we-
not. If,
but
wait, if
we
I
were
will get
getting
nice
that
money,
day.
if I will get nice money, then I will not do anything.
If you give me
If I
nice
will-
money, if you
then
give
you
me
will not do
listen,
anything.
if you give me nice money and I don't want to sell my home, so obviously I will not sell. Whether
No,
you give me nice
if they
money
will get
or
nice money, they will not protest.
they were getting nice money, but
How much people are getting employment
they
there?
were getting
How much?
employment.
Next.
Do you know why was this
Okay,
project
listen.
being delayed? Because they were not getting skillful laborers.
Then there.
So it means there are employment.
Wait.
Listen, you said that they were giving nice money. Just tell me how much money do they give?
Different lands will have
Yeah, then
different
how much?
price.
They
How
must
like okay,
Because they must
okay,
be
50. Okay, I'm giving you 50,000 rupees yard now.
They were not giving this
How much were they giving? How much were they giving? How much were they giving?
Listen, if they will give me more money, so I will get benefits, so why will I not sell that land?
I have given him example for that. I don't want to repeat.
In Delhi from where it has started?
What?
In Delhi from where it has started?
It's what? Delhi is a city.
There must be any place.
I don't know.
From wait,
Next.
Okay, just tell me in Dhol and these places they had
Truck
started.
infrastructure has been made.
So what kind of employment did we get? Just what kind of benefit did we get?
While making these things, we needed laborers. So these we improved, we increased these kind of employment.
What kind of employment? If labors we use the labors.
I am saying same
That is
thing.
the thing I am saying. Labors we use in these things.
Yeah, so we needed that labor.
Their
Listen.
half work, trunk infrastructure, it had completed. So what kind of benefit did they get from trunk infrastructure like this? Whatever they have made.
Water
and all.
facility, electricity facility,
So how
they got.
So how many
Roads, some few roads in that they got
So,
these facilities.
Just tell me why was it had delayed?
Okay, baby.
Because we were not
Suppose
getting
if you are
skillful
engineer-
laborers. It means
suppose
we
if-
have
Baby. Now
employment.
listen to me. If
We
you are
have
suppose
employment.
That's why we were not getting laborers.
suppose you are an engineer and if you get a chance to work as a doctor, or if somebody say to you to work as a doctor, can you?
No.
So same thing. The farmers which do farming there, they were farmers. Now they sell their land. No, but means whatever the money they will get, for how long will they use that?
Listen.
At one point of
Yeah, I
time,
would like
it will
to
be finished.
listen.
But if
They will get that money.
they don't know anything except farming, so what will they do
They
that?
will, even they
Man,
don't know how
don't
to
say that they will purchase and at another place.
No,
It's
no,
not
no,
easy.
no. Okay. If it is not easy, don't people know how to run a shop at least?
Wait,
At least-
will that person be as efficient as the person who goes in farming?
Yeah, it will be
No,
better
he
than
will not.
that.
He will not be that much efficient.
How?
if I am, if suppose if I have been
Who
working.
wants more? Okay. Who
No,
wants
it's
more?
not about earning. It's not about earning.
It's about earning.
Even
It's
shopkeepers
about
don't earn
earning.
more. Even shopkeepers.
Who told
Okay,
you this
will
thing?
every person open their shop?
No.
They are their own things.
Will everyone be illiterate?
Okay,
Some few
okay, very,
illiterate.
okay. It has taken from Japan. Okay, this project has been taken from Japan. What are the achievements of this project in Japan?
Yeah.
I don't know.
And what is the cost of this project?
Okay, listen. If this project is not good, why we have taken
We
this
are-
from Japan?
Yeah. What are
Why
the
has
achievements?
Japan invested money if this project
How
was
much?
not
How
in
much?
there?
How much and when? How much and when?
I don't know. They have invested.
How much? What is the cost of DMIC?
It is around 5 billion.
100 million.
100 billion.
Yeah, so-
Okay, why was it delayed?
Because we were
Because
not
they
getting
put-
sufficient laborers.
Yeah, I want to say this thing. Yeah, I want to say this thing. We have nobody in infrastructure. We have nobody skilled laborers.
Yeah, I'm asking the same question. That if this project has been delayed, how did we get
Thank you.
trust
So just give a
infrastructure?
place
Thank you,
of
guys.
gold rock.
Thank you.